guys, my name is Amy with PriceYak. On this very short video, I will go over with you how to export your listings from easync. So if you're currently using the easync platform, this video is specifically for you. Exporting your listings from your current provider, in this case easync, is an important part of Lesson 7, how to transfer your listings from another provider to PriceYak. So first let me show you how to find Lesson 7 so you can get the easy step-by-step instructions. On the help desk, which is support.priceyak.com, you're going to go to the Getting Started section and then Initial Training Lessons. Scroll down and click on See All 8 Articles to expand the articles and click on Lesson 7. Lesson 7 is going to explain to you the entire process of getting your listings from your current provider and then uploading them to PriceYak. But for this specific video, we're going to focus only on exporting your listings from your current provider, and that for you is easync. So you can click here on easync and get specific directions with instructions and pictures to show you how to export your listings, or you can watch me right now as I go over it with you very quickly. You're going to go to your easync dashboard and simply click on Stores and Active Listings. Once you're on the Active Listings page, you're going to click the box that's going to select all of your listings for you and then click Export. For you, a box will pop up that explains to you that your file is going to be emailed to you. So unlike many providers, your download will pop up on the screen. You can then locate it in a file, rename it, and move it if you'd like to. But with easync, they're going to email you your file. So make sure to check the email address associated with your easync account. Once you have that file, you're going to need to save it because we're going to use it to upload it to PriceYak. So going back to the article, it's going to continue to explain how to now reformat your file so that you can easily upload it to PriceYak. I hope this helps. Have an awesome day.